Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can disable Microsoft's spyware. Now, in recent and newer computers, Microsoft has integrated more AI with their computer, and one of the few new features that they added is called Microsoft Recall. Basically, what that means is that on your computer, they'll periodically take screenshots of your screen and use it as a recall or as an AI method to remember, right? And some people aren't comfortable with this, so let me show you how you can turn it off. Now, on the search bar down here, you want to search settings. On settings, you want to go to privacy and security. Now, on privacy and security, it should be on this section down here. Now, unfortunately, my laptop doesn't have Windows Recall, but I'm going to still show you what the settings look like. So the settings should look like this. See, recall and snapshots. It look like exactly like that. You just have to click on that. And then once you click on that, you can just click on save snapshot here. Just turn it off just like that. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.